Today we're making sweet potato fries with the kids in the kitchen. Get the kids in the kitchen. It's Hogan Jenkins Kids Edition, like MasterChef Jr. So my niece Abigail is going to drizzle the sweet potatoes with a little olive oil. That's okay. A little bit more.
A little more.
So we already cut our sweet potatoes. These are fresh sweet potatoes from the produce section. A little bit more. Don't be scared. You can't put too much. It's okay. So drizzle. Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Now, Abby is sprinkling some seasoning on the sweet potato fries.
Because we want them to be seasoned and don't be scared.
Yes. Don't be scared. You can do a little bit more.
Don't be scared.
It's okay. That's a mixture. It's not just all salt. A little bit more. Okay, good. Now, Layla is tossing the sweet potatoes with olive oil and the seasoning. You have to toss them so they get covered well with the seasoning and they taste good. You want your sweet potato fries seasoned evenly.
Word evenly. You want to make sure that your sweet potato fries are seasoned evenly. If they're not seasoned evenly, they won't taste right.
Now we're placing the sweet potato fries on a wire rack, which keeps them lifted, and this is going to help them get that good roast and crunch.
Yeah, you smell my armpit.
You still want them to be spaced out, but excuse me, you still want them to be spaced out. Not too spaced out to the point where you can't fit all of them on there.
And now we're gonna put them in the oven for 35 minutes.
So they could be golden brown and crispy.
Now, after taking these out, they were in the oven for 35 more minutes because we have to do each side. So this is the complete side. Now they're ready. So now they're fresh out the oven, so piping hot. Remove my mitten off. Let me see which one I'm gonna pick. I'm gonna pick this one. It's a little lonely one over here. And yes, it's hot because it's burning my hand. Ooh. It's really good, but it's really hot. And they're nice and crispy. That's what we love about this. The air frying simulation of the whole process. It goes down. With your boy Big B, Jenkins in the kitchen.